Let's play Redactle for Wednesday, May 25th. This Wikipedia article has a two-word title. First word is very long. Second word, not as much. This is interesting that there are some empty parentheses here in the first paragraph. What's up with that? Something has been removed from there, I suppose. I can see we have an IE or an EG in the second paragraph. Bullet list, oh, something minus and something plus. What could those words be? I presume it's the same word. Why is with italicized here? Some phrase, I suppose, in this area. Looks like this is going to be quite a long article. When I see per, I think maybe it's something scientific. And this is interesting, in parentheses, a comma something. That makes me think of mathematics. And here we see plus. So yeah, I'm going to start with mathematics. 3 hits. The mathematics of. Okay, so it may not be completely mathematical. Not easy for an Irish person to say. But this is interesting here. It looks like there's some subscript. I'm just going to check for the letter B as being, yeah, so 29, but not the other subscript. Let's try Z, 3 hits on Z. Okay, so that was in the parentheses A comma Z. Let's go back up to the first paragraph, see if anything has appeared there. No. Well, let's try some basic mathematical terms. Number. Okay, we do have a number in the second paragraph. Let's try finite. For a finite range. No, for a finite something. Let's look at these ranges. Let's try integer, decimal. There are real numbers. Oh, here we have the IE or EG. Let's see which it is. Okay, it's IE. Ooh, but we have a lot of E's. Could that be the constant E? No, but something to the interesting. Let's look at some other E's. Another IE. And there's another E at the start of a hyphenated word. But why would they just show the letter E? And then the same here. Why would they just show an E at the end of a word? So I'm thinking it must follow a number. And then we have another something point something. Oh, okay, so that must be a decimal number. Very interesting. Let's look at our eyes. Let's maybe try Euler. No, he doesn't appear. Newton. Leibniz. How do you spell his name? Is there a T in there? No, either way, it's not there. I'm gonna try 0, 15 zeros. Yeah, some very strange notation here. 0 point something. Okay, let's try some more mathematics, calculus. Only once. Isn't there differential calculus? Yeah, there sure is. Differential something. Then there's some other. Let's just try difference between the something of the something. Let's try sum. 3 sums. Some sums. Reciprocal. Oh, one occurrence of reciprocal. Is there some mathematical law? Ooh, 6 laws. Someone's law. I'm sure I've seen a number file video about this, but I generally forget them as soon as I watch them. Oh, there's some name beginning with a B that's coming to mind. Inverse in there, in law of inverses or inverse law? No. How about algebra? I don't think it's going to be algebra. No. Oh, we did real numbers. How about imaginary? No. Let's look at these mathematics. So someone's law. Or, well, actually, maybe it isn't apostrophe S at the end of that. We did sum. Did I try total? 12 times? For a something total number of What could be the word before total there? So total something represented by the letter A is the number of per blank blank of a blank blank. Then we have another definition here, a number of how about factors. Consecutive. Consecutive terms. No. Oh, consecutive digits. No. Let's see our terms. Oh, okay, in terms of the something something. Terms of the sum of something. We haven't done any division words, so let's try division itself. Divide, divides. Result. Okay. As a result of the above result in a something something. How about rule? Someone's rule. I just want to check there's nothing to do with physics in here. No, but it could be applied to physics. Is it just pure mathematics? Who are some other famous mathematicians? Oh, well, Planck's constant is physics, right? Let's maybe try some other letters. 13 C's. A, B, C. Oh, A. Is that to the power of? Where is my to the power of? There we go. No. Maybe A multiplied by. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to find those. In fact, I think it should show those clearly. Anyway, let's go back and look at our C's. Since A something into B, so it's not divides, goes. No, since A factors, Well, there's one occurrence on something factors. Oh, sorry, we did that already. What is this? Since A something into B, and then something B blank into C, the relation maybe of A to, no, the, okay, this is a tricky one. Go back up to the top. Gresham's law is physics. Oh no, it's economics, right? Bad money drives out good. This minus and plus is tantalizing. Let's try some common words. Such, case. Have we tried case yet? No? In the case where? Yeah. When? Let's look at our whens. How about greater? Lesser? No, only greater. What's this hyphenated word with a something something greater than? Greater than, I would think the sum of, but we've tried some. Mod? No. Greater than the, no, this is interesting. It was something from the, let's say, discovery. Oh, we matched it. Zero. I'm trying to think of the calculus terminology. Limit. There's another word, verb I'm thinking of. Maybe integrate. Integrated. No. Root. No. Square. cube, inverse. Oh, I already did inverse. Divisor, half, aha, half-life. Oh, so maybe it is something to do with physics after all. So let's maybe look up atom. Aha. The second paragraph. So atom, atomic, and something atomic. So it begins with a vowel and release. Well, we just had a physics one recently. I did not enjoy that. Okay, I wonder if these characters within the parentheses could be Greek characters. What do they release? Oh, let's go back to, we should do electron. Okay, and the proton and the nucleus. The something nucleus. Okay, and our minus and plus is I'm going to try gamma, except for gamma particles. Let's look at our gammas. Let's try fusion. No, fission. 3 fissions. Let's try atomic bomb. No. How about quark, strangeness, and charm? Everyone's favorite Hawkwind album. No, none of those. In something, something, and something fission. Oh, did I do nuclear? No. Let's do nuclear. There we go. Nuclear fission. A nucleus, something than a bigger, heavier. Yeah, a nucleus heavier than did I do just atom? Yes, I did. Nucleus bigger than. Let's try ray. Okay, it's a gamma ray. Something of discovery, maybe history of discovery. Yeah. And there is some mathematics in this physics. Let's try Einstein. No, how about Bohr? No. Okay, that's some, oh, molecules. No, molecule. molecular. Oh, maybe addition. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to have these very specific scientific Wikipedia articles as the target. Maybe they're chosen at random, I don't know, but come on, give us a chance. Let's try energy. Ooh, okay. Oh, I was expecting it to be as nuclear energy. And something atomic nucleus, could it be as simple as makes energy? No. Loses energy? Yeah, there we go. Loses energy. And that's the only occurrence of loses. What's that word beginning with a vowel before atomic nucleus? Unstable, maybe? Yes, 10 occurrences. I did when and where, didn't I? Yeah. Oh, process is the process, maybe? Yes, by which loses energy by, what's that fancy word for chaos and things falling apart? Not inertia. Atrophy. Is it atrophy? No, what's the word I'm thinking of? Process by which an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by something. How about power? No. Let's look at all these energies. By releasing a gamma ray, maybe? No. The energy of an something nucleus. Maybe more and less. Well, let's look at our mores. Again, we've got our particles in a more something something process. Well, we did unstable. Let's try stable. 17 stables to the limit of something. A more stable, I would think lower energy. Let's try. Yes, more stable, lower energy nucleus. How about a lower energy state? Yeah, the something. In gamma something, a something nucleus. So in gamma, we've done radiation, right? I don't think it would fit in there anyway. Oh no, maybe I haven't done radiation. Am I just missing it? Radiation? That looks, oh, I usually start with the word first. I didn't today, but there we go. At first, it seemed as though the something radiation was something to the something something. Oh, how about X-rays? Yeah. Let's go look at these X's. The something of something radiated to something and X-rays. There's another X dash there that is not followed by ray or rays. Oh, that must be B. I forget that the word B is redacted. I should always put that in because that's a very common word, obviously. Yeah, what's this other gamma something? It's not rays, it's not radiation, it's not energy. Was thought to be. There is one thought. The process is now. There are two nows, but not there. The process, because the process is something thought to take. The process is something thought. Not, of course. There it goes, not thought to in something over time. A lot of times. Let's go back. I want to get up to the start. So this whole thing is the process by which an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by radiation. Oh, radioactive, I guess I should have thought of. Okay, we have the first word of the title, radioactive. Oh, entropy is that word I couldn't think of. Entropy. Only occurs once. State of greater entropy. So what do we have up here at the top? Radioactive. Could we have the word once? Oh, we have once twice. Was once imagined, conjectured, was once considered. I don't think considered would fit in there, but let's try considered. Or 5 considers. By usage, by means of. Okay, considered when something, something, something by means of X-ray. I'm thinking that should be by considered when making body scans. Let's try body. No. Scans. Scan. Scanning. Using. 7 usings. Oh, is the time taken in the description of the half-life for the something of a something, for the something part of a radioactive substance to lose, no, to shed, to exude, no, to half of its life. Okay, half life. Oh, we already did that. Da, 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 da. What is this verb? A radioactive substance to something to have. Oh, to reduce. Well, we do have 2 of that. But a radioactive substance to sink, to lower. Oh, we did lower already. So let's try some of these reduces and reduce the number of. I'm sure there's a lot of these electron type words I haven't tried yet. So let's go back and try and guess what this title is. Radioactive something is the process by which an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by radiation. Oh, radioactive death? Is that what they call it? No, we do have death twice. And death of. How about level levels. We have both of them twice. It's some kind of process at the level of blah, blah, blah. I really thought when I finally remembered entropy that I was getting there. Degradation. No. Radioactive. Shrinking. Unstable. Da, 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 da. I'm just going to try some simple words here. Very. I'm thinking this radioactive something of a something of something. So it's an amount of, or could it be a vial, sample, 13 samples. Okay. Differential calculus is used to calculate maybe the radioactivity is used to, I guess, is used to, what's that short verb there? Differential calculus is used to identify amount. Let's look at radioactivity was discovered, I guess. Oh, of course, this must be Marie Curie and her husband. Marie Curie. What was his name? Pierre, or I want to say Philippe. It's one L and two. No. Poor Marie Curie's husband. Everyone has forgotten him. Maybe it's someone else. And let's look at Pierre just to. So it was Pierre Curie. There we go. So it was the other person before Marie or with Marie Curie. Was discovered in, I guess that's some year, by physicists. No, scientists. Yeah. Someone, is it John something? No. Bill Haley. What's the end of that first sentence? after Marie Curie, something something with something something. So what tools were they using? Form of radiation? Yeah, form of something radiation. Using the above result in a something form. In this case, yeah, this case, ooh, we've got a lot of thises. Despite this, this was considered at the first something something in some city in some year when the something something something. Since then, yeah, I wonder where was that presented? Let's try Paris. No, London. Aha, so it was at the first something symposium, conference. What's the hyphenated word though? And what year would that have been? I'm guessing the early 1900s. Ooh, there is one occurrence of 1902. Let's try 1901. Let's try 1900. 1901. Of course, this really doesn't help me. I just want to find that darn year. No, I'm going to give up on that. Might have been 1890s. Okay, this isn't buttering many parsnips, I'm afraid. Radioactive blank. Have I done loss? Nope. Two occurrences of loss. There's somebody's title here. I'm going to say Dr. DR. By Dr. Two letter, two initials of somewhere. Could it be San Francisco just by the length? No. I think lead. Yes. So the discovery of something by someone in some year led to further experimentation. There we go. Led to Let's look at these LEDs or LEDs. How about new? A something for the total radioactivity in blank, Pierre Marie Curie to, I'm guessing that's name or, well, let's try name. Have I done name? No, there's only one name. Well, what's the word before new? You would expect it to be the new. How about there? After their research on something rays. How about just light? I know I'm jumping around here. As if exposed to light? Yeah. They exposed a something to an X-ray, to an X-ray beam? No, to an X-ray something over a length of time, over a period of time. Yeah. Let's go look at these time periods, time period, time period, time period. With a period of about, I'm going to guess so it's something seconds. Have we done digits yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these digits are having hits. 6, 7. So period of about 7 seconds. We may as well go ahead and do 8 and 9 and 0. Oh, I did 0 way, way back. That was a long time ago. If you're still watching this video, more power to you. Let's take a look at some of these numbers. Ooh, with the something of -8. So that sounds like a naming convention, I guess. Like Victor Borge's uncle who invented 1 up and 2 up and 3 up, died after he'd done 6 up, never knowing how close he came. Let's look at, A1, of course. 6, something, 2. That's interesting. Again, I can't help but feel I'm beating around the bush here. Doesn't really matter about any of this other verbiage. Oh, there's something 7. Oh, that's sounds very familiar. All right, going back up to the first paragraph. Radioactive. I really feel I have had all the information I need. Once I had radioactive, something is the process by which an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by radiation. I really should have enough information here if I was familiar with this topic. Oh, I missed, of course, in the first sentence, it should be also known as. Also known as nuclear something radioactivity, radioactive blank or nuclear blank. Those last two are probably the same word. radioactive fallout? No, radioactive emissions. Plural emissions. So they do occur, just not in that first paragraph. Yeah, just not thinking of what else radioactivity could be known as. So in the interest of time and wanting to have my lunch, I'm going to look up radioactivity and on my phone and see. Okay, as soon as I went to Wikipedia on my phone and started typing radioactive, I should have known this. I'm sure many of you knew the word, so congratulations to you if you got it, but I think it should be decay. There we go. I am curious what the letter, the things in parentheses, alpha decay. Okay, I'm looking at the Wikipedia article on my phone. It is the Greek letter alpha dash decay. So not sure why I think probably because of the Greek letter alpha, beta, and gamma, they could not display that properly, and probably in removing it, they removed the part after the hyphen. Becquerel rays, never heard of that. Oh yeah, what year? Ah, so 1896, Henri Becquerel. Oh, phosphorescent materials. Very interesting. Okay, I do though feel a little cheated that it was another physics topic. We just had one of those recently. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.